Hello everyone, welcome to Voices of Vibe. My name is Navami Govind and you are listening to another episode of Voices of Vibe where we talk about education, careers and everything in between. Today we have a very special guest with us. He is the co-founder and director of Merlin Groups and he comes with over 25 years of experience in real estate, electronics and technology. With immense pride and joy, I welcome Mr. Rohit Bachani to this show. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Naomi. What a pleasure to be here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. What makes Middle East a strong place to build a career in real estate industry?
You know, I'm born in Dubai. My father's from Kuwait in 1971. So we understand Middle East. I'm second generation. My grandfather came to Dubai in 1964 from my mom's side, my maternal grandfather. And not just real estate career, I think if you see all us expats, we are coming here from so many years, from not just this generation, from three generations before. The Middle East is like, we used to hear from our grandfathers, there is gold in the ground. Everyone needs to come to find that gold. That gold is the beautiful leadership of the Middle East, especially UAE and Dubai.
Right.
The leadership is so great. They treat all the expats like their own. I think that is the main point. And then with that respect, whatever business you do, be it real estate, be it technology, and or be it whatever electronics, FMCG, but today we are talking about real estate.
Right.
Real estate, it is going through a golden boom time. So what does that mean is that in last 12 months in data, people who like data, $150 billion came in Dubai. Just Dubai, I'm not talking about Abu Dhabi, I'm not talking about Ras Al Khaimah. In Dubai, we have $150 billion of business. So imagine if that type of numbers, to put in a comparison for our viewers, it is equal of all of 1 billion India. That in India, we have got organized real estate transactions of around the same value.
All right.
So imagine 1.4 billion population is having $150 billion of transactions and Dubai 60 square kilometers. Such a small city, it is a smaller city than Thrissur also, is doing so much business. Now with that type of business, can you imagine the potential?
True.
How many jobs are getting created from contractors, from real estate, from brokers, from agents. So it is really gold. And whoever comes to Dubai and he sees this type of beautiful business and very good law, legislation, transparency, no corruption. So with all these things, it is a perfect situation for careers to be built on.
Right. All right. So you said it's the booming period for real estate industry in the Middle East. So what are some of the major trends that you find in the real estate sector these days?
Well, the trends are that the whole world is coming to Dubai.
Yeah. Always.
That trend is not stopping. It is in fact only growing and it is mushrooming because if 10 people are coming, they're talking about the world. You know, someone goes to a city, even as a tourist, you will tell your friend, you know, that city was very good. I had a good experience. And if you did not have a good experience, you will say even louder. You will go in TripAdvisor, you will go in all the reviews. Similarly, when people come to Dubai, they are loving the city. First they come as a tourist and they say, you know what, I can stay here. Once they stay here, I can open a business here. I can have a family, I can have my kids go to school. So trends are that people have identifying around the world. Before what our expats used to be, especially from us in India, I will have my son or daughter go to USA.
Yeah.
Or Canada, Australia. That was the Western countries. Today there's a reverse brain. Either they're coming back to India, which is a lovely country, or they're coming back to closer satellites around India, which is the Middle East.
True.
So the trend is that even from the America, Europe, where H1B visas are not so easy to get, Europe also, you know, everything, crime is increasing everywhere, but Dubai is a stable place. Taxes are increasing everywhere, Dubai is zero tax. So all these things, the trends are obviously very positive. And I know everyone is saying the same thing, but we are living it. And those who are seeing this from outside of Dubai and UAE, you have to come to experience it.
Yeah, right. And sir, we have a lot of students at Vibe Education who are pursuing their real estate course.
Yes.
So what do you think are the skills and qualifications a beginner needs to step into real estate?
Excellent question. So from real estate, see, it's a very competitive field.
Mm.
So when I told you so much money is there, obviously there will be many people who want a slice of that money. In India, people are earning 20,000-40,000 rupees a month have potential to earn 20,000-40,000 dirhams a month, minimum. I'm not joking. And there are people I know in last 1-2 years are driving the Ferraris and Lamborghinis and Land Cruisers and Nissan Petrols and God knows what, and buying their own houses from very humble background, which is the definition of success. Material success, emotional success. Now, how to do this? How to reach to this level? Everyone would like to know. I feel, of course, you need to have professional qualifications.
Okay.
Now, what I like about Vibe Education is because your interview is with me, but I've actually experienced it. I remember last month, all my real estate professional brokers, they had asked me that, look, I want to be professionally qualified. I know my job, I'm very good, but I need a professional qualification to understand the intricacies. And that's when I reached out to Vibe Education.
Right.
And in Vibe Education, what they did, they were so nice that instead of asking my brokers to come to your institute, you sent your trainer, your materials, your everything to my office. And I got all my brokers, and it was a 3-day course. And after the 3-day course, they are all now KHDS certified.
Yeah.
And on top of that, not just a certification, they have so much knowledge. Like before, one of my brokers used to come to me all the time to understand mortgage. Okay, they know how to sell, but they don't know about mortgage. Now they are telling me, no, sir, this is the mortgage rule. This is because of Vibe Education. Because another testimonial I'll give you, one broker did not have an idea how to do the MOU, which is the last stage of a real estate transaction. Means she used to give it to my admin department. Now she's creating the MOU, the form, everything she's doing on her own, thanks to Vibe Education. So it is not a practical knowledge which they've got and is making my life easier. They are certified, their confidence levels are up, and this in turn is increasing my business of the company, and they are also earning more money.
Glad to hear that.
Thank you.
And sir, what is that one advice you would like to give to aspiring students who are planning to start a career in real estate?
Well, I see the students nowadays, they are very professional. They have so much access to knowledge which we did not have.
Right.
So I cannot give them something which they don't know already. If there's one advice from an old person like me, is never underestimate discipline, dedication and commitment. I think if you have these 3 things, you can go far, and consistency, which is all comes far ahead of maybe the person you feel is more intelligent, who speaks better, who does this, who does that. I think these are, limited. But the fact that if you can show up every day, you can give that hard work every day, you will reach very far ahead and unimaginable heights. And those who are watching me, please don't listen to me, but my favorite book is Atomic Habits. I don't know if you read.
I have heard about that book.
It's a great book. That 1% change in your life every day, you can reach, like you said, Navami, the unimaginable heights. So that's all: consistency, discipline, commitment, and having some fun in the way also. It cannot be boring.
True.
We should all have some fun also. And yeah, that's about it. Live life, enjoy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for sharing your meaningful insights on real estate industry.
I hope I could be of any help, and great. And thank you for Vibe Education for helping my real estate family.
Thank you so much, sir. It was really a pleasure having you. Thank you.
Such a pleasure. Take care.
Thank you. And to all our listeners, stay tuned for more updates from the Vibe community. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.